Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing some chicken Marsala, and we have some regular chicken thighs with the skin on, just some parsley, some onion powder. I actually have an onion I'm going to cut up later, put it in there, and then we also have some white potatoes that are already sliced. Just any brand will do. Doesn't really matter what you're doing with it. Got some Marsala wine, some olive oil, and we're also going to add some cream into it to thicken it up as well. But I'll bring that into the picture as soon as we get things going. We're going to start our grill up. Then we'll be, as soon as our pans and everything heat up, we'll be putting the chicken in. We'll just brown it, get everything all cooked. And then we'll start making all the sauces and everything. We'll also brown the potatoes as well. And then the onions.
Okay.
Okay, looks like our oil's heated up now. We can throw the chicken in with it. Again, these are just regular thighs. Nothing special with them. Wash my hands off here, and then I will get the grill turned down a little bit because I don't want to make sure we don't burn them or anything like that. And then just cover them up, and we'll let them cook for a while and brown up. And then once we get them cooked all the way through, we'll temp them, and then we'll start making our sauce for our. Okay, it's been about 7-8 minutes now. We're gonna go check it and see how things are coming along. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Just move it around a little bit, make sure everything's not sticking. Alright, I'll let that continue cooking. Looks like it's browning up pretty nice. Alright, and then let it cook some more. Alright, we're back. We're going to temp these chicken thighs, see where they're at. $164. $165. It's about 180. Seem to be about 180 except for those couple right there. I'm going to put everything into one pan turn down the heat a little bit so that it stays really warm. And then we're going to cook our potatoes. Might as well just flip them all. We'll make sure that they all get up to temperature. Because a couple of them were at 160, but that's still good for chicken. But I like them up to about 180 or 190. Okay, I'm going to shut this. I'm going to get everything ready so it stays nice and hot in the temperature. I'm going to turn these down to low. And then I brought out some onions that I sliced up really thin. And we'll throw those in with the potatoes. And then we'll get ready and start making our sauce for everything once everything's all done. We'll throw in our onions first. We'll let them cook for probably about 5-10 minutes, something like that. Turn up the heat a little bit, and then we'll be able to come back, put the potatoes in, let them all cook together for a little bit. And now we'll just add the potatoes. Looks like the onions have cooked up pretty decent. Let those brown, put just a tiny bit of onion powder on it, a little bit of basil, and you can flavor this however you like. I'll put a little bit of parsley on there. All right, here's some, we just put some half and half in a bowl, and then I just threw in just a little couple pinches of basil. You can put in whatever you want that suits your palate. And then what we're gonna do is after we mix this in with the potatoes, I'm gonna split it half and put exactly half in the potatoes and half in the chicken. And then I'll put the Marsala wine in this bowl, and then we'll dump it in. And then I'm also going to add everybody's favorite cheese to the potatoes. All right, we're back at the grill now, and it's time to start adding all the good ingredients for everything. I'm gonna turn it back up to where I had it before, and turn this one down so we don't burn and get everything even again. The chicken has already been just sitting in there. Now I'm going to add half of the and half of this. And it's really bubbling up. So we'll just put in a little bit of the Marsala wine. And we'll add a little bit of this. And again, it's all to your taste. I've never done this before, so I won't know until I taste it. And then we're just going to dump in some cheese. Whoa, a little bit much on that, but it'll be nice and cheesy now. So we'll just add this in, stir it around. And we'll do the same on the chicken. Make sure we put the chicken back in, so everything's getting some of the sauce. I guess it does have a little bit of alcohol in it. Okay. Now we'll just cover this back up and let it cook for a little bit. Okay, everything's been cooking for a while, and it smells good, that's for sure. I'm going to take a little bit of the potatoes and we'll give them a... Yeah, it looks pretty good. Try a little bit there. Maybe, yeah, I'll come back and get that because it's pretty hot right there. So, they look good. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, let's start getting everything off. And I want to thank everybody for coming and enjoying another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. And we will see you again really soon.